have today a 74 Ghia chassis. We're doing for the family, Areola family out in San Jose. And we're doing a sport ride chassis for this one with some cool original style wheels. Replacing some pan halves, updating all the drivetrain to bro-built versions. Today we're going to disassemble this and get it out to strip. You get to come along, grab that coffee, that bubbly water, that noisy tool, and we'll make this happen. You guys ready? Let's do it.
Only time would tell them, 'cause I know I'd prove them wrong. I was made to be a legend, for the kingdom, for the throne. This is the moment I've waited for all of my life. This is my legacy, this is my moment to rise. I was born to win. I was born to win. From the first day I stepped in, I knew I would heed the call. I was destined for glory, rise above and never fall. This is the moment I've waited for all of my life. This is my legacy, this is my moment to rise. I was born to win. 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 I'm going up levels, I climb to the top. Keep going and I never stop. I was born to win. I was born to win. I was born to win. I was born to win.
When I was young, I climbed up too high just to touch the sun. On my mission, no prescription, shoot for number one. Start a riot, won't keep quiet, I'm a ride or die. Heart is pumping, keep it coming, better run it high. I was born for this, I was born for this. I was born for this, I was born for this. Born for this. Born for this. Feel that fever, lightning strikes, dangerous like dynamite. this. I was born for this. I was born for this. I was born for this. Born for this. Born for this. Even lightning strikes, dangerous like dynamite. Born for this.
All of these thresholds can't hold me down. Push through the crossroads and I hit the ground. Yeah. No different picture, got a bigger frame. To find my place, I don't need a change. Hey. Oh, don't need a change. Oh. And I chase there's a river to the ends of the earth, but it won't rattle my bones, it won't rattle my bones. Well, my soul is free on this wide open road. Now I'm bringing it home, now I'm bringing it home. I was born free, and I'm taking the reins when the world gets cold. I can't be bottom soil, you see. I was born bold. Moving these mountains that are in my view. No room for doubting that I'll see it through. I'm on the run like a renegade, and I'll be the storm and I'll ride the wave. I'm gonna ride this wave.
Hey guys, the 2021 promotion is still going on. You can win one of these ultimate beams by subscribing, commenting below on any Airkewld video you see. That's easy. That's all you got to do. Enter today, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.
Bring it home.